Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Umintri keterangan Bording Abu Tahir Mandal ulang bahaban Pynlip ding lani ke load shedding hagani ke jalla nagada ko Khang Shipor yagi Shlem Pynmih Bording kum ka Khandong mat ka Kupli hydroelectric project bat kum juru hagani ke jalla ulang bahaban Khang Namarba kidang maramwan yagi Shlem Pynmih Bording.
I agree with you. People are suffering, and we are really concerned about this problem also. When children are also facing this problem because of their examination and all this. But you see, in the lean period, we face this trouble when rainfall is very scanty, and most of our power projects are hydel power project, which depends on the rainwater, because our rivers are rainwater-fed rivers. Now, in this period, we are having some added problems also, like our central share from some centrally sponsored project, like Khang. From there, we used to get committed power supply, but because of the shutdown of these projects, we lose around quite a huge quantum of power that is not coming to our grid. We are having our own problems at home also because of renovation, repair. We are not able to put the optimum power in the grid. Due to that, this is happening. And the only way we go around is to go for power banking or power swapping. Actually, what happens? In the monsoon season one, we are having surplus power. We give some states or some utility who wants to take power from us. And during the lean period, we take back that power from them. So now the summer started in the plain areas and other states also. So the demand in the exchange is very high. So rate of power is also very high. And these utilities we used to bank with us are no more want to bank at this juncture. So all this compounded the present positions. Definitely the government and also MECL is working round the clock to see that if any relief can be given to consumers. And we are not doing this one. Just we want to do it. Out of compulsion, we are doing. The moment we improve our situation, I told you that it also depends on how the power is available in the grid, or if we can go for some more swapping and all these things, then definitely we'll relax the period. We are having our central share around 72 million units. Our state, we generate around 16 million units. So at present, we are having the availability of around 88 million units. And our requirement is 200 million units. So we are short by 112 million units. So this is the hardest fact that we are facing now. Problem in Kopili is stage 1. This power project is having the generation capacity of 200 megawatt, but because of bursting of valve, this project is under shutdown. We used to get around 35 megawatt from this. Then the Khandong power station, where the generation is around 50 megawatt. This has been again closed down because of flash flood. We used to get around 8.51 megawatt. Then this Kopili is stage 2. There the production capacity is around, generation capacity is around 25 megawatt. Our state share is 3.45 megawatt. So we are missing from the central NIPCO power projects. Then our Ninsulu Leshka also. Unit 3 is shut down from June 2022 because of the damage in stator and rotor. Then Unit 1 also shut down from November because we required for annual maintenance. Then Stage 4, which we produce around 60 megawatt. There also we are shut down from November because of the overhauling work and all these things. Stage 3 is also same thing, shut down from 3rd April this year. So these are the problem that we are facing. This is unfortunate problem which now we are facing. Of course, the moment this selling of butterfly valve and repairing of runner in this unit is complete, then we will start generating again. Of course, some more is also there. And 3.45, 35 and 3.45. Of course, earlier also government has planned, and you must be aware that we have gone for so many MOU signing with independent power producers, but somehow or other this could not take place. Those who want to start, they have some issues. So we are saying that whether these issues can be sorted out or not. If that is done, even that way also we can look forward to the future. The shutdown, which is around Minturu Leska, so 42 megawatt. The 3 units are there of 42. So 1 unit down means 42 megawatt down. So 2 units are down now there. Then Umiam also, we are having 2 units of 60 megawatt. Those two are also like that.